Hey, welcome back to your Precision Data Analytics channel this evening. Tonight we're taking a look, this is part 2 of our video, has to do with, ignore what it says, this is not Ford. This is the LifeStrategy Income Fund. We go back to, this is our monthly review of our forecast, see how our basic forecasting models worked out for us. So let's start with the most basic goal, naive. The main thing I want you to notice here again, that the shaded areas are the predictive intervals. This means that the dark one here, which we're going to look at, this means there's a 75% chance that the actual value is going to fall within this dark shaded area. As you can see, the actual price did stay within within that 75% level. Okay, that's very nice. Now look closely here. This is 15.5, 15, and so this line here is what, 15.6 or something like that. So we come down to our first plot, and you can see that this here is actually right at 15.6. So for all practical purposes, these plots are really telling us the same thing. They're both saying the price is going to hold steady, at least within the 75 percentile range. This is interesting. Even the ETS says the actual values were within the 75% price predictive interval. Okay, what about ARIMA? Now, the ARIMA actually said, notice there's a slight decline here. There's a slight decline here. You notice that the edges of the predictive intervals aren't really smooth, they're a little ragged. And but even so, even with that, the actual price was within a 75% range of for the ARIMA model. Also, finally, what about our adjusted ARIMA? Well, adjusted ARIMA. Now, this is interesting. The predictive value wasn't really close, but even though the predictive value wasn't close, the price still stayed within the 95% range. Okay, and finally, profit, as always, profits predicted a slight increase upward here, but I'm not sure why we got this volatility, but it's basically predicting a slight increase up here in the price. And so there you have it, part 2, the monthly review for analytic models.